Hello, I'm Joseph Guzman, and today I will be going over the Universal Design for Learning, or UDL guidelines, and how I incorporated them into my group's Digital Citizens project. The group I worked with consisted of Emma, Leslie, and Fatima, and we were given the choice to choose our designated audience, and after some thought, we chose 3rd grade. The main learning goal we wanted from our project was that our students will be able to understand the different ways to check facts and tell the difference between true and false fact. The 3 categories of the UDL worksheet consisted of representation, action and expression, and engagement. For the first category, representation, we decided to use 2.5, illustrate through multiple media by having simple short readings throughout the presentation and videos that went more in depth for the topic. So that consisted of facts versus opinions, what is fact checking, learning and evaluating facts, and how can fake facts lead to fake news. The next category, action and expression, we decided to use 5. 5 was provide options for expression and communication. We use this by having multiple checkpoints to see if the students are following along and understanding each section. So the first checkpoint consisted of a quick write that demonstrated their learning between the difference between facts and opinions. The next one was a think, pair, share. And the third one was an exit ticket that they were able to show us if they learned anything and anything they were confused about or any questions in general. For the last category, for engagement, we used 8.5 or 8.4, which is increase mastery orientation and feedback. We demonstrated this with our activity, our think, pair, share. This gave the ability for students to share out loud what they learned and thought throughout this presentation. We also used 9.3, which is developed self-assessment and reflection. We demonstrated this through our exit ticket. The exit ticket gave the students a chance to show what they learned, some things they still needed help on, and it didn't give them the disadvantage of falling behind whenever they didn't understand a topic. Throughout the project, the most aspects I am proud of is our activities such as our quick write, our think, pair, share, and our exit ticket. I think these really give us an idea of where the students are throughout the presentation, and if anyone needs a little more help, it can be taken care of instead of leaving the student behind. This was a challenge at first due to not knowing what kind of activities would give us that kind of feedback, but after some group discussion and brainstorming, we listed activities we have done in the past and the ones we enjoyed the most and thought was most helpful. And after that, we came up with these 3. So the main focus of this presentation was to give the students multiple ways to learn and give feedback. I hope this helped you guys understand our presentation more and understand how we incorporated the UDL worksheet into